Welcome to my channel. My name is Doraemon. Today, I want to share with you two of my strategy. One is market strategy, one is arbitrage strategy in my current Forex investing, okay? So before I start, I want to invite everyone to join my Telegram subscription channel. It's all in English. And this one, I will be sharing a lot of my trade updates, my signal. Like later on, I'm going to be sharing a lot of alphas, like signals, providing you with tools like EAs, indicators, etc. Okay, and it's completely free for you. So please subscribe, and you will not miss a lot of alpha here. Okay, so the first market strategy that I want to share with you is the China A50. Okay, China A50 index. For those of you who don't know like what is China A50 is, so essentially it's the top 50 China firm. Is an average, it's a tracking of China A50. So that represent like the overall China stock market. Okay, so you can notice from late September till right now there's an explosive movement. Okay, just in the course of a few days, it's went up, like it has been going up like 40%, 40 something percent. That's crazy, you know, that's crazy. So for me, I successfully captured this movement. The reason why I can capture this moment is because I have been watching China's stock market for 10 years. Okay, so for the past 10 years, it has been in a very bearish market condition. So like for a lot of like other stock market, like America stock market, like for the past 10 years, it has been just going one way, which is up. Okay, so I think it's the time to come. Okay, I never expected it come this late, but it finally comes. So I am very bullish about like China's stock market from now on. And then for a lot of you are not able to like get a Chinese stock market account. Like, so what you can do is there are two ways you can capitalize on this. One way is you can buy the ETF on A50. Okay, so that's one way you can do. So that's the more stable way you can capture on this trend, this upward market, this bearish move. And the other thing you can do is you can buy the thing on like a Forex brokerage. Okay, so let me show you. So the recent trade that I make like on October 1st. So you see, like on October 1st, I invest $7,000 and I open two lots of this index, A50 index. So just a matter of one day. Okay, so I document this on October 2nd. It's 400% up. Okay, so I already like quadrupled my $7,000. You see, so on the 70,000 balance, I made 30,000. On $7,000, I made 30,000, and I have a net equity of 36,000. Okay, that's like 4 days ago. That's how much I make 4 days ago. And look at it right now. Okay, look at it. That's what I captured today. Look at it right now. So the profit has already grown up to $48,000 on my $7,000 investment, and I only opened two lots of this index. Just crazy, you know, it's crazy. It's already 8 times. It's 8 times of my principal, and I'm still holding it because I know it's gonna go up again. Like, because my cost is so low, so I can hold it for a very long time, and then I know for sure like this one is gonna keep going up and up. Like maybe in the middle it's gonna have some like up and down. Like I don't care. Like this is my experiment. I use 7,000. I'm gonna be documenting on this. I use $7,000, and you will see how much I can make on this $7,000. I'm gonna just keep recording, and then you will see like my judgment. Okay, because this I have been watching for 10 years. It finally come. The time finally comes. Okay, so for those of you who wants to capitalize on this opportunity, there are two ways, like I said. Okay, so first you can go like your regular stock brokerage and then buy the ETF, and then you can buy like a regular ETF or 3 times ETF. But for people like me who likes to gamble, not necessarily gamble, but take calculated risk. Okay, and then to make this kind of money, right? And then I'm expecting much more. Like for those of you who wants to capitalize this, there are a few, like you can choose a brokerage that have A50 Forex brokerage. Two of them that I'm using, one is called AXI. So this one I already talked to you about on the previous video. It's a very big one. It's based in Australia. It's regulated under ASEC, which is Australian whatever. Like it's a very big regulation. Money is very safe. Okay, so this one is another one. This one is the one that I'm currently using, and also I'm using this one JxTrade. So this one is like a Hong Kong. For me is a domestic broker, so it's under regulated under Hong Kong regulation. It's very strict regulation, also a very safe platform. And then I find like the spread, everything, like the environment, like very good. So I think this one is the best for me. And then the like other fee is low, so this one is the best for me, and this one is the number 2 for me. And then there are other like brokers that also provides A50, like you can go out and find yourself, but like for me, that's 2 of them that I'm using. And then I highly recommend you to check like JxTrade and AXI. Okay, so those 2 I think is the best place for you if you want to trade China A50 with high leverage. Okay, so this one is 500 leverage. That's why like I only open 2 lots, and that's how much I can potentially make. It's already 8 times. So that's the first strategy that I want to share with you, the China A50. Please just keep an eye on this. There's gonna be some adjustments, so when you see like some adjustment, you use some technical analysis, and then I think that's the best place that you can invest right now. Okay, and then the other thing, the other trade, the other strategy that I want to share with you is a much more stable strategy, and it's a much more confirmed strategy. Okay. So here I want to share with you the arbitrage strategy that I'm currently doing as well. So let's see. Let me show you. So this is the strategy. Okay. So essentially, so I have 100,000 stake here. You know, like for those risky play, I always use like a lower capital, like 7,000, and I want to make a lot. But like for the big stake, like 100,000, I always choose the safer strategy. So what's the theory behind this? Okay, so for those of you who don't know, GCZ4, that's the future of the gold. Okay, and then XAU USD, that's the current gold price. Okay, current gold, and then that's the future gold. And you notice there is a discrepancy. Okay, because future is always like your expectation, right? And but like it's gonna, like when the time pass by, it's gonna get closer and closer to the current gold price. So that's always how it is. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is essentially an arbitrage. So I short the future, and then I long the gold. So like you can do it on a lot of commodity, but like I find like the gold is most stable ones. Okay, so I always have a successful streak. I already have been doing it for like a year. I have been testing for a period of time, like 3 month time. It has been like every month is very consistent, around 15% of the profit. But in order to make this kind of trade, it's you need to pick the broker that first they need to have the GCZ4, that's which is a gold future. They need to have this trading item. Okay, that is very limited, like the platform that has offered this product. Okay, and then also it needs to have low swap fee on the current the gold, because you need to keep the position for a long period of time. If the swap fee is very high, it's gonna eat up your profit. So maybe it won't be profitable if the swap fee is very high. I have tried many different brokers. A lot of brokers, they have this type of product, but like because they have like a pretty expensive swap fee, so I don't have the room for arbitrage. So there's no, like there won't be a profit if the swap fee is too high. So what I finally come up with, what I finally found out is this broker called RichSmart. It's also regulated. It's a New Zealand broker, but it's regulated under ASEC, which is the Australian regulations. And this one is a very big platform as well. So this one I find like this one have lower swap fee and also have this type of product. So I already tried this platform for 3 months. It has been doing great for me. Okay, so I show you like I think like here on my channel, I show you some past history of the profit that I make. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, so this one is for the month of September. I made 6,500 on my 50,000 stake. So that's around 13%. And then the previous month, I made around 12% on my 50,000 stake, which is around 6,000. Okay, so those are the two strategies that I want to share with you. And then if you want to know more details on how I capitalize on this two, like when is the point to entry, how I execute, you can DM me. I can provide you with more like service or like tutorials on how to make money on this two strategy. Okay. So please subscribe my channel. I will be sharing a lot of free alpha here, and then I will document my journey to. I'm already a millionaire forex trader. I want to be a 8-figure forex trader. So for those of you who wants to witness my journey and then want to be like on my journey, please join and subscribe. And I will share a lot of my knowledge and then a lot of tips with you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye now.